Namaskar from Kolkata. Welcome back to Language Mantras, and we have Bengali through English today. Today we are going to discuss two main words and a few associated words. These are very frequently used words in any language. Maybe you use them 100 times a day. So let's have a look at these words. We are talking about personal pronouns. First person singular number and first person plural number. First person singular number in English it is I. This one. In Bengali this is Aami. Aami. I think it is not very difficult to pronounce. Aami. Aami, I. And in plural it is Amra. We is equal to Amra and I is equal to Aami. So Aami is singular number and Amra is plural number. A person talking something about himself, then he uses I. And many people together as a group, we use we. So I and we, these are personal pronouns. I is singular number and we is plural number. Now this Aami has two associated words. One is Aamar and second one is Aamake. Aamar, positive, my. I, my. That is Aami, Aamar. And Aamake, this is the object form. So Aami, this word has a positive form that is Aamar, my. And Aamake, that is me. Okay? This way, we means Amra. Amra has two associated words. One is positive Amader and the other is object form Amaderke. So we, Amra, Amader, our, and Amaderke, us. We have 3 and 3, 6 words here. Aami, this has two related words, Aamar and Aamake. Amra has two related words, Amader and Amaderke. Now, make a few sentences and make the issue clear. So, Aami bhalo achi. I am fine. Aami bhalo achi. I am fine. Any problem? I am fine. You can translate into Bengali, Aami bhalo achi. In the plural number, Amra bhalo achi. So, I am fine, we are fine. Aami bhalo achi, Amra bhalo achi. Now, eta Aamar badi. Now, positive. Eta Aamar badi. This is my house. And eta Amader badi. This is our house. Now, the object form. Aamake ekta golpo bolo. Tell me a story. Aamake, me. Tell me a story. Amader ekta golpo bolo. Tell us a story. Tell me a story. Tell us a story. Now you can make so many sentences like this. Ami bhalo achi. Ami Gaan Gaai, I sing a song. Ami khela kori, I play. Then eta Aamar badi. This is my house. In the plural sense, construction is the same. Amra bhalo achi. I am fine. Amra bhalo achi. Ami bhalo achi. Amra bhalo achi. Amra khela kori. We play. Amra Gaan Gaai. We sing. Eta Amader badi. This is our house. Now, Amader ekta golpo bolo. Tell us a story. So, I think this is not very difficult to remember. Aami, Aamar, Aamake. Aami, I, Aamar, my, and Aamake, me. Again, Amra, we, Amader, our, and Amaderke, us. Aami, this is personal pronoun. Aamar, this is possessive. And Aamake, this is object form. Again, Amra, we. This is personal pronoun, plural number. Amader, our. This is possessive. And Amaderke, this is object form. Next day we'll have the second person singular number and second person plural number with this kind of associated words. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.